Yes.
You know, so it's different from that perspective, but at the same time, it's also the same thing. You know, we also fundraise for funerals there. We also go.
Okay.
But it's not dependent on whether or not I show up. If my community will be like, I want to like aba bunge ba Kenya.
Yes.
And of course, there's no Gosera in America. That is completely against the law.
Okay.
Togo said a voter, my friend, I'll be in jail. And so instead, how we raise money for Chi campaign, instead of Gosera, we go to people and we sell our policies. We sell our policies, and then abantu batoa voters batwa chibese to run for office.
All right.
So it's not how it's done here. And maybe this is where this young new generation of young people who are ambitious about, you know, transparency and accountability and actually serving people will come in, will usher in a new wave of leaders who hopefully will get rid of Ekegusii, because this Ekegusii has never gotten our community, our country Kenya, anywhere.
All right.